Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to organize customer emails. This is a fantastic way to turn scattered inbox messages into trackable tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks when managing customer communications. First, head over to Asana and navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Projects and open your existing project where you want to organize these emails. For example, you might have one called Customer Emails, specifically set up for this purpose. Once you're inside that project, look at the top of the page where you'll see the project name displayed. Click the drop-down arrow right next to it to reveal several options for managing your project. From this drop-down menu, select Import and then choose Email. This is where Asana provides you with a powerful feature that bridges your inbox and your project management workflow. You'll see a unique email address appear on your screen. It typically looks like a random string of characters followed by @mail.asana.com. This special address is linked directly to your project, so go ahead and copy it. You'll need this in just a moment. Now open your email inbox in a new tab or window, locate the customer email you want to forward into Asana, and click on it to open it fully. Once you've got the email open, click the forward button in your email client. This works with Gmail, Outlook, or any standard email platform. In the tough field, paste that unique Asana email address you copied earlier. This step is crucial because it tells Asana exactly where to create the task. Before you send it off, take a moment to edit the email subject line if needed. Whatever you write here will become the task title in Asana, so make it clear and actionable. You can also add extra notes in the email body, which will become the task description. This is useful for adding context or instructions that weren't in the original customer email. When everything looks good, hit send. Now return to your Asana project and refresh the page. You should see a new task appear in your project list. The task title matches the email subject you sent, and if you open it, you'll find the email body and any attachments neatly organized in the task description. From here, you can assign the task to a team member, add due dates, or apply tags to categorize and prioritize it according to your workflow. You've now successfully turned a customer email into an actionable Asana task. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.